a taxi to your mother's home. She went to Florida and left you with your father's gun alone. Upon her small white bed I fell into a dream. You sat up all the night and watched me to see who in the world I might be. I am from the Sunday school. I sing soprano in the upstairs choir. You are a holy man on the FM radio. I sat up all the night and watched thee to see who in the world you might be. You called me beautiful. You called your mother. She was very